Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get birthday notifications on Facebook. Firstly, head to settings on your phone. Now from settings, tap on notifications. After that, scroll down in notifications and look for Facebook. Then, tap to open the Facebook application and hit the Allow Notifications button. After turning on the Facebook app notifications from here, close the settings. Now, head to the Facebook app and open it up. Then, go into the menu from the bottom right corner. From the menu, tap on your profile from the top bar. Now from your profile, hit the Edit Profile button. After that, get back to the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, scroll down in Settings and go into Notification Settings. From here, now from Notification Settings, tap on Birthday and make sure you turn on Allow Notifications on Facebook. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.